Hello and welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, I encourage you to do so. And today I will talk about the protective housing for the HERO9 Black. So this is especially dedicated to the HERO9 Black. It's not compatible with the other models of the GoPro Hero. So it's a housing that is waterproof for 60 meters, which is really deep. And let's open this up. I just received it, so it's quite new. Let's open the package. And what it contains, it includes a protective housing, skeleton backdoor, mounting buckle, and thumb screw. And it protects your HERO9 Black during extreme activities and deep water diving down to 196 feet. So until 60 meter deep, it's protecting the GoPro. It comes with a lifetime warranty as all the GoPro tools. And also it's sealed from both sides as all the GoPro original stuff. So let's open the package. Done. You see here, you can use it for diving and watch the tortoise. So as usual, very nicely packed with all the warranty information inside also here, and that you should read if you don't have the time to read all this now. And I guess this is the mounting buckle, this is the finger screw, and we have, where is the protection? It's protected inside. So this is protective housing. This is how you can mount it. It describes how to insert the camera, open it, and then on 5 steps, open, mount, and then unmount. So how to open this package? So I'm discovering live with you from where to start. Nicely packed, but always a headache. So this is the mounting buckle. If you have already bought the package of the full package of the GoPro, you already maybe have another ones like this. And let's open it from this side. So here it is. There is a location for the skeleton backdoor, and this is the protective housing. And to open it, maybe we should open also the other side. And yes, here it is. Very nice and transparent. You see my fingertips left some traces, but it looks quite protective. And this is plastic, it's not glass. We hear the sound of plastic. It's not glass, it's plastic. And let's see how heavy is that. It's not too heavy. It's not even heavy at all. And let's set it up. So it's something around 94 grams. Oops. 94 grams, which is corresponding to some 3.30 O's. Okay, so this is without the GoPro, of course. And we have here the GoPro, just as a reminder, a GoPro 9. And as a reminder, I said it's something around 109 and 60 grams, which is 5.60 O's. Okay, so how to use this? We have here just a button at the bottom, and here is it the bottom? No, it's the top. Yeah, sorry, it's the top, because here is the button that you can use for shooting, and this is the button that you can use for powering on and off. So to open it, just release this. Yeah, we need to look at the documentation to not break the okay, so first you drag, then you lift. Okay, look like this. First you drag, then okay, let's retry. Yeah, not easy at all. With 2 hands, maybe it will be. Yes, I hope that I didn't break it. But then okay, then you unrelease, you release, sorry, and you open the door, and then you put your GoPro inside. And when you put the GoPro inside, it's then close the GoPro, yeah, close the protective housing, and you see that it's yeah, it's really tight, and that's why this is here to help you close this up. And it closes, and that's good. And here you have a fully protected GoPro, and as usual you have this small protection here that you should not forget to peel off before going underwater, because it might get wet, and the quality of your pictures and your footage will not be so great. So let's see if it will power on and off right, and let's see if you will hear correctly the sound. Okay, so yeah, don't expect to have the let's say the touch screen working from here. It's not working, you know, because to do this, to have the front screen working, I guess we'll need the skeleton door. And yeah, let's test the audio then. Test, 1 2 1 2, test. This is an audio test for the GoPro housing, for with the full door underwater. Yeah, we're not under the water, but if you're filming underwater or in the yeah, underwater, you won't need the sound maybe, but in snow, for example, or for hard activities, you might need the sound. So let's check the sound now. Right, and now let's power it off. Okay, all right, and then let's open it back and take it off again. Yep. It's brand new. Ugh. I hope really that I didn't break it. Yeah, So you have all the couch here, all the rubber and all the protections. And let's see. And here the sound with the door closed. You hear the difference between the sound now when it's open and when it's closed. And let's play without slow-mo. Right. So now let's shoot a new video now. You will compare the sound by yourself. Okay. So go. So now we have a new video without the housing, and you will hear the sound that's coming from the microphone directly without any anything blocking it or any protection for the GoPro. So I think this is enough for our test, and let's hear it. Test 1 2 1 2. Stop. Where is the sound? Ah, yeah, sorry, it's the slow mo. Video without the housing, and you will hear the sound that's coming from. So let's do it again. So now we have a new video without the housing, and you will hear the sound that's coming from the microphone directly without any anything blocking it or any protection for the GoPro. So I think this is enough for our test, and let's hear it. Test 1 2 1 2. Stop. So this was the sound without the housing, and now you can compare the quality of the video. Only it's not really a very deep comparison, but we can see that here we have with the housing, and here you have without the housing. So basically there is no much difference. It's almost the same image quality. And yeah, don't forget that we have here the plastic film that is on top of the screen, right? So let's stop this now. Okay, powering off. And let's see the skeleton door. So this is the skeleton back door. What we have here for touch access plus better audio. So yeah, the skeleton door. Okay, so if you need the touch access, then whoop, you have it. No need to mount it now, because you see that it will be really touch sensitive, as there is basically nothing here, right? So it's a skeleton door. There is nothing. You replace this part. We replace these parts with the skeleton door, and all you need to do is just just push this part outside. So let's see and confirm. To replace the back door, yeah. Usar la puerta trasera esqueleto. Yeah. So it should be really here. How to clean the housing, how to clean the lens and the rubber seal. Yeah, as we said, we open first the door, then you pull it down and you put on the other one. Oh, as simple as that. Yes, because yes, because it's only it's only half locked from this side. So it's only half locked. You don't need to push this from any side. You'll just need to drag this here like this, maybe. Yeah. Yes, and then it's unmounted, right? And you replace it with this one. Yeah, maybe without this one. Just get rid of this. Okay. Yeah. So same thing, to place it on again, just to up, push a little bit hard, and then it should be on. All right, and then you have your protection in place. And what's protected from the water is this part. It's avoid the water to go inside, and when you feel this pressure here, and that you really need to push, that means that once it will be fixed and closed, there will be no water that will go inside. So in order to keep it clean, I suggest you to always keep it closed, so you will not have any dust inside. Any dust inside that will that will let's say come and stay here and be will just reduce the quality of your images or videos. And yeah, let's close it. It's closed. So how we will mount it on something? So you have this here, and you can just put it. It's compatible with all the GoPro mounts, so you can put it just right here, and you have the hand screw. So the hand screw that's provided also, and that you will just put here, and for you to close your GoPro. And now it's completely ready for action. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and that you have now a better idea about what does it look like to have this housing, this protective housing for the GoPro HERO9 Black. I repeat, it's only for the HERO9 Black. It's not compatible with the 8, nor the 7, nor the 6, or any one. So it's only with the HERO9 Black. So if you want to use it with another model, you might break your camera. So I will not suggest you to use it with any different model than the GoPro HERO9. Okay. So thank you again for your time, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and leave any comment in order for me to improve and to have your feedback and to provide you with the latest news. So thank you again, and yeah, goodbye.